Assalamu alaikum 9th class students, mathematics lecture number 4, chapter number 4, exercise number 4.2, and today move towards question number 15. Okay students, question number 15, find the products using formula. We have to find the product x square plus y square into x4 minus x square y square plus y4. We have to find its products by using formula, that is x square plus y square into x4 minus x plus y4. First of all, we have to apply any formula which is suitable for this question, that it will remain the same, x square plus y square. Okay, now we will apply formula on this expression, x square minus, we'll consider it a and b plus y square whole square. That will be, now we have put this value same, made formula x square double square because it's 4, so we have open formula a square plus b square minus ab, a plus b outside. So which formula will be suitable? Basically this is cube formula, this is a, this is b, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, that is cube formula, a cube plus b cube. We will apply this formula here, a cube minus a cube plus b cube, a plus b, consider it a cube plus b cube. By combining this formula we got basically this formula. Okay, while we will open it we will get this value. So by opening the powers, x power 6 plus y power 6, we can solve it in this method. Further it will not be solved, so it's its answer. Question number 15 part 1. Students, question number 15 part 1 we have done. Part 2 is x cube minus y cube into x square plus x cube y cube plus y6. Fine, we have to solve this question by applying formula here. We will apply formula here and we will make cube formula, that will be a cube minus b cube. So same method we will use as we have done in question number 1. Okay, so the same method we will use in question number 2, but formula will be a cube minus b cube. You will solve it by yourself on your registers in neat form. Now move towards part 3. Okay students, question number 15 part 2, x minus y, x plus y into x square plus y square into x square plus xy plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square into x4 minus x square y square plus y4. Okay students, x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square into x square plus xy plus y square, x square minus xy plus y square, that will be x4 minus x square y square plus y4. Students, these are total 6 expressions, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will combine 2 expression and we will make 3 total, that it will, we will combine it with x minus y with first x square plus xy plus y square. Second, we will combine with the second one, x plus y into, sorry, with the second one, x square minus xy plus y square. These two expressions, now we have combined 2 and third one we have combined. We combined first with first, second with second, and third with third, and divided in three parts. We will apply formula on this term first, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Which formula we can apply here? We will apply a cube minus b cube, means x cube minus, we will apply formula x cube minus y cube on this expression. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, we will apply x cube plus y cube. So applied these two formulas on first two expressions, and what's about the third one? A plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. The same formula, cube formula, we will apply in on this term. Okay, now these both are same formulas but sign is different. So a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. Consider that it is a and it is b. A minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square. That is a. Consider that that is a. A square minus b square. Open this power, x power 6 plus y power 6, open its power also, x power 6 minus y power 6, that is x power 6 plus y power 6. Again consider it, that is a and minus b, a plus b, because both are same but sign is different. So we can apply formula here as well. A minus b into a plus b, that will be a square. That will be a square minus b square. If you will open the power, multiply powers, that will be 12 minus y power 12. It's our final answer of question number 3. Question number 15, part number 3 is final answer. Students, question number 15, part 4 now. Question number 15, part 3 we have done now. Question number 15, part 4. 2x square minus 1, 2x square plus 1 into 4x4 plus 2x square plus 1 into 4x4 minus 2x square plus 1. This one is left. This part is left. Students, you will do by yourself by combining. These are four expressions. You will combine first with this first and second with this second. In this way you can make two whole expressions, and you can apply formulas with the same method as we have done in question number 15, part 3. So same method you will apply here and solve this question by yourself on your register. I'll check. Allah Hafiz.